refers to the official standard language of China, also known as Standard Chinese. It is the most widely spoken variety of Chinese and served as a common language for speakers of different Chinese dialects. How to start learning Chinese? What is Pinyin? Let's watch this video to find out. Pinyin, as a foundation of Chinese language learning, is a phonetic system for Chinese characters. Generally speaking, one Chinese character is represented by one syllable of Pinyin. One Chinese syllable consists of 3 parts. Initial is at the beginning, similar to consonant in English. Final is at the end, similar to vowel in English. Tone is written above the final, which is the pitch of the syllable. Chinese includes 2 parts. One is Pinyin. The other one is Chinese characters. For example, this character is Ma. It means mommy. Read after me. M, A, Ma, the first tone. And basically Chinese Pinyin is made of 3 parts, which are initial, final, and tone.